My name is Mohammad Farooq, and I'm from New Delhi, India, and I do business. And I'm married. I have two kids. I'm passionate about speaking English. Sometimes also join a public speaking groups so that I could practice and learn and speak and listen. In my free time, I watch Netflix, some of the movies and web series, and my hobbies are speaking English.
What do you watch on Netflix?
I watch web series and
So, for example, which series?
uh, The Lord of the Ring. Recently, it was on Amazon Prime.
Yes, yes.
Second, I have watched Vikings. Third, Money Heist.
I know Money Heist. Yeah.
Yes, so there are several I have watched.
And which one is your favorite?
Vikings
Yeah. What makes it your favorite?
because it tells about the kings and queens era, and I'm fond of watching those movies and web series which are related to the king's times and the horses and orders and decrees and soldiers they fight, and also
So are you interested in more historical types of
yes,
shows?
yep.
I think there's a famous series on Netflix called The Crown. Maybe you might be interested in that. I didn't watch it personally, but I heard it's good. Everyone watches it.
I will watch.
I'm more interested in the comedy genre, so
Okay.
I don't really know these series.
How do you pronounce your name?
My name is pronounced Pinar. So what kind of projects are you working on right now for your job?
Basically, I have a company established in state of Georgia in USA. I have many freelancers. I talk with the US people. I get the projects and I deliver to the freelancers, and they finish the job. Then I deliver to my clients.
All right. So do you have any famous clients?
I have so many clients. One is a father in a church, and he has a big church and many people. I'm also in the IT sector, and I'm also IT solution provider. That means whenever you have any issues, we get a contract of several computers in the company. If you have any issues, you call us, and we resolve problems remotely without, going and physically available there. So we also
Yeah.
in the same
We
business.
used that at my last job. It was like an IT support department, but completely remote.
Okay.
So yeah, that's very cool and very efficient.
Yes.
Saves a lot of time.
So I'm in the business. It's been 5 years, and 5 years I have done the job in multiple companies.
What's your most favorite thing about your job?
Most favorite thing is to talk to the clients, especially in English. I feel talking, and even I have so many clients in Canada as well, like Montreal and Quebec and Scoa, Nova Scotia. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia, yes, and Calgary. There's a customer, Calgary, Canada. So I have so many clients from that location as well.
Oh, cool. I'm from Toronto, so I think you
Okay.
don't have any clients in Toronto.
I used to have in the past, but the contract has been over now. Any reason?
What was that noise?
In India, it's festival is going on, so maybe some children were playing with the artificial bomb. It's called
Okay.
Diwali. Yes,
Oh, it's Diwali time.
yes.
Ah, okay. A lot of people in Toronto celebrate Diwali as well.
Okay. So you're especially from Canada or some other different country?
So I was born and raised in Canada, but my parents are originally Turkish.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And I have watched, your very famous Turkish drama that is Ertuğrul Gazi.
Yeah, it's very popular, but I don't watch it.
I also watched his son drama that was Osman Ghazi. So
Yeah, they're more of the historical genre.
yes, yes,
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not very interested. Yeah, I mean, it's cultural. It's not a religious show. It's
Yes.
a cultural show.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It's okay. I'm not very interested in historical series, so I didn't watch it, and I don't plan to watch it.
Okay.
I find it very boring.
So what do you do? What's your profession?
So I teach English. Um, yeah, I studied biology, but I teach English.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what language Turkish people speak? Is it like
They
English?
speak Turkish.
Okay.
So I also speak Turkish. Can you tell me a little bit about Diwali?
Yeah, Diwali is a festival. Celebrate Diwali with the pomp and show. People get together. They enjoy this festival.
So no gifts for you?
No, I'm also already a businessman. I have to give gifts to my, people who are working with me. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So what kind of gifts do you give them?
Simple gifts, or we can give them money as well. Yes.
So what's the standard? Like, what can someone expect as a Diwali gift?
Money.
Okay. Just money?
Bonus. Yes. That's called bonus.
Okay. Like a Christmas bonus, I
Yeah.
guess.
Have you been to India?
No, I haven't. But I would like to visit one day. I love Indian food.
Okay.
So good.
And what food do you like of India?
I like butter chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you like biryani?
Oh, I love it. I love Indian spices and Indian food. It's so flavorful. But I can't eat it when it's too spicy. Only moderate spice.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your favorite Indian food?
Biryani.
Yeah, it's so good.
My wife cooks biryani very well, very tasty. 3 types of
Yeah.
biryani, yes.
How does she make it? What's the secret?
I don't know. I have to call her. You can ask, but she doesn't speak English.
Yeah, maybe you can ask her and then make it for her one day.
Yeah. Have you seen the news in Iran?
Yes, I have.
And people, especially the Muslim girls in India, they are fighting to, get the hijab. And for
Yes.
them, and people in Iran, they are just fighting to remove the hijab. I don't understand
Yes.
what's.
That's the world. What can we do?
Yes. Especially in the South India, there was 3 students. They were opposed not to use hijab in the college, and this matter is going on in the court, and court, they gave the verdict that it's a choice of the women. They can wear or they can remove.
So they won the court case. Is that correct?
Yes. And when I saw the news in Iran, so the protest is going on. People are opposing this hijab. So this is a kind of a contradiction. That the same category of the people, someone is fighting for applying the hijab, someone is fighting for removing the hijab.
Yeah. It's an interesting world, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you find difficult in hijab in Canada?
No, not often. I think in my entire life, just a handful of times. But oftentimes, I think it really depends on your character and integration. So if you integrate, obviously to a certain extent, you shouldn't have problems. But if you are distant and don't integrate, maybe you might have more problems. I don't know.
Okay.
So what are tell me about your children. You said you have 2 children?
Yeah, one is daughter, and she is 6 years old, and one is
What's her
boy,
name?
Misbah.
Mista. Okay, that's a nice name.
It means light.
And
I have a boy. He is 9 months old,
yeah.
and he's a baby, and his name is Omar.
Congratulations on your
Thank you.
second child. And does your wife work or is she,
Housewife. She takes care of the household things and takes care of the children.
It's more important than a full-time job.
Yes.
And more busy than a full-time job. So how did you start your business?
I started my business because I wanted to do something for me, for my life, and since I was in my job, so thoughts keep coming in my mind that I should also do. Yes.
Ideas, right?
Ideas, yes. And
Mm-hmm.
me, there was my partner, and we made establish this business, and
Yeah.
we started, we made PayPal account to accept the payments. Then we got a new friend in US, in the
Mm-hmm.
state of Illinois, and then we started, and
Illinois.
everything is working fine, no problem.
Do you want to visit the US? Maybe Illinois?
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe you can fly to North America and just do both countries at the same time. So Canada and
I applied for the visa for the US, and they cancelled.
they rejected it?
Yes, they declined it. I don't know what could be the reason. I will try next time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, better luck next time, maybe.
Yes.
So we're almost out of time. I just wanted to say it was nice to speak with you and nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And good luck with your English goals,
All right.
okay?
Thank you. Bye bye.
All right, you're welcome. Bye-bye.